Hey guys, Andrew Hurrell here from Shoreweather Farm, and it's as you can hear, raining pretty hard out here. I just thought I'd take a moment to talk a little bit about why we save certain jobs for days that it's going to be raining, like today. So what we're doing today, as you can see by the big pile of tomatoes there, Bo's hanging out with me here in the greenhouse. Basically, we're taking down all the tomatoes today, the rest of them anyways. And so we've got our box of tomahawks right here and some clips. There's another bin of it elsewhere. I've got one in my hand right here. And as you can see, it gets your hands kind of black, although I just started here, so it's not too bad yet. But by the end of this, it'll be pretty stained. That's the solanine, which is in the tomatoes. Solanine, it's basically in the sap of the plant, and that's why any plant that's in the Solanaceae family, so tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, eggplants, that kind of those kind of crops, they all have solanine, and solanine is actually toxic, so that's why you can't be like feeding tomato plants or potato plants to your pigs, and that's also why you should compost it separately, not with the compost that you're going to be using on your vegetable beds. At least that's what we do anyways here. And we're going to be making sure to remove all the plant matter from the greenhouse here so that we can avoid any diseases or pests propagating in the greenhouse, since we're going to be doing a lot of Solanaceae crops, and diseases and pests tend to affect crops that are in the same family. So we're going to be taking all this tomato plant matter outside and putting it in a separate compost, but not with the compost that we're going to be using for our veggie beds. Yeah, so that's just a little quick update of what's going on here on the farm today. We're November 17th, and in the greenhouse we're able to push the tomato harvests until week before last. So first week in November we're still harvesting tomatoes in the greenhouse, which is insane. I used to always be able to do it until the end of October in a caterpillar tunnel, but this year we were able to take that a little bit further. Anyways, take care and stay updated. There'll be more coming.